Hello everyone, welcome to V3 Design. 2025 is around the corner and you need to take courses to enhance yourself. Whether you are a student, a graduate or a male worker, whatever category you find yourself, having a skill, be it digital or normal skill, will enhance your ability to earn more income. Today I'll be telling you some of the skills you can take that will enhance your income and your earning ability. Number one is personal development skill. Now, personal development has become one of the criteria to climb to the top. Now, personal development skill include communication skill, leadership skill, and the courage and every other skill that involve around your ability to stand out in crowd and sell yourself. Now, personal development skill over the years was not taken as anything, but in recent times, it has been something, a criteria that most organizations use to employ their workers. And not just that, whether you are doing your personal business or you are a student, you need the personal development skill that will take you to the top. So make sure that in 2025, you learn a personal development skill. Another skill you should learn is data science. The world is moving very fast. With data science, you can use it to enhance your business and take it fast to achieve your goal. So learning a data science skill like data analysis is not a waste. Project management is also there for you to learn. And with it, so many people have used this to make their money. As a matter of fact, this year 2024, I know a lot of people who have used this data science skill to earn a living, because the world is fast moving from just knowing one or two. You need something every organization can hold you for, and the higher you know, the better for you. Number three is coding and programming. Number four is language. Yes, language. People will be like, yes, why must I learn language? Yes, you need language skill, because there are some online jobs that you get that you need language to communicate. Not just that, if you intend to travel, you also need a language skill for it. Also, whatever you are doing, for us Nigerians here that want to get clients outside the country, we need a whole lot of language skills. There are some jobs I want to apply online and they'll be like, must be able to speak this and that, and of which right now I cannot speak it. So it is part of my own plan next year to take a language course, so do well to do that as well. Again, you can also go for social media management. Yes, social media management. The world is moving to a social media era where everything is done in social media. You want to peace, you do it in social media. You want to cook, social media. Everything in social media. No matter the skill you have, whether you have a physical skill, you are a student, whatever skill you have, it's selling now on social media. So if you are able to learn how to manage social media, you get jobs from other people or companies who cannot do theirs. And also it will help you if you intend to grow your own social media business. Content writing is one of it also. You cannot leave content writing out of the page or out of the story. I am a content writer and I learned it earlier this year. I've been writing before, but I didn't take it as a skill. So I brushed up on it and I started working this year as a content writer. So it is one of the skills that you will use, and so you should learn it, whether you are in Facebook or whatever. And also content writing helps you to pour out or express yourself to a whole large number of people at the comfort of your house. You can just be in your house with your system and you are writing, you post it and people are seeing it. Not just on social media, people have produced books by just content writing. You produce your book, you put it on Seller or Amazon, and people from all around the world can get it and they pay you. You get paid like that. So it's very important that in case you are confused, don't know what to do, you can take content writing as a course for the year 2025. Marketing is not left out. Yes, everything we are doing right now is all about marketing. You want to buy something, before you can buy it, you have to be convinced that yes, this thing I'm buying is worth the money I'm paying or is worth the benefit I'm getting. No matter what, even with food, as important as food, you know that you are going to eat the food, but you need to be convinced that the food you are eating is is equivalent to the money you want to pay for it,